Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Skillshare class, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set the language for your Skillshare class? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to set the language in your Skillshare course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Skillshare will automatically translate the written portion of your classes, but you need to disclose which language you currently are teaching your class in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Skillshare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Skillshare teacher dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set the language for your class here on the left side, you're going to click on this little play button. Once you do that, this menu is going to pop open and you want to click here, classes you're teaching. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and search for the class that you want to set the language for example, this one right here. And you simply just want to click on the title of the class. Once you do that, you'll see this little menu here on the left, and you want to click on class detail. Once you do that, here on the top section, you're going to see class language, and just click on the drop-down menu and then just choose the language that you're teaching the class in. So for me, it's English. And then here at the top, you want to click on Save Draft or Submit if you're ready to submit your class to Skillshare. I'm going to go ahead and save draft. Okay, now you see it's now been saved. So now Skillshare can accurately go ahead and translate my class into these other languages. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set the language for your Skillshare class, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.